Okay, this is my channel on like reviewing trains, maybe scenery tips, and just things like HO scale trains. So this will be my first video on a review of the Bachmann Spectrum K4. This isn't like a new one, this is just like your standard K4 you could find on eBay for like maybe $100. Since, if you're buying a bunch of K4s, this could be a good option. So we'll start. So this is just DCC ready. This doesn't have DCC in it, so you just have to get a 8-pin plug-in chip. Nothing special about it. It looks pretty good. The bell does not move. The light on some of them can be weak and fall off, but other than that, I've only had that happen on one train, so I don't think that's a big problem. They're not too powerful. You can probably get 3 or 4 passenger cars. If you got any like 3% inclines, you're gonna have some trouble, so you're definitely gonna want to double head these. So I guess we'll just start with some of the detail. You can kind of see the rivets on the tender, nice logo, and the cola looks pretty good. It's very shiny though. I don't know if that's good or bad. It does come with knuckle couplers, which is nice, and it's got these marker lights. They don't have any lights. It does have a cab. You can't really see in there, but there's a little bit of a cab, and then there's this little ramp thing comes down. I guess you get the idea. There's some more plumbing. You can see the firebox, trucks. Pretty nice. I always like moving parts, so even if the bell doesn't do anything, I like it to move. You can see some more marker lights up here and down here, and the knuckle couplers. And it does come with an incandescent light bulb, at least all the ones I have, and I have like 5, so it looks pretty nice. And then I will show you the underside and then the inside of the tender so you can see the chip. And so this is the underside of the Bachmann Spectrum K4. There's not too much, not really any detail, but that's fine, I guess. They're not too expensive. There's some details over here. They got these connections. And then the connection for the actual tender to connect to the locomotive. I don't like it because there's like a screw holding it together there. I can't really see it. It's in between these wires. And it can be hard to get out and on when you want to get in the box. But if you don't really put it in the box, it's fine. That's it for the underside of the K4. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the inside. So you can just see it just needs an 8-pin chip. This is just like the dummy plug. You can just take that out and put in your 8-pin DCC chip. You can also, if you want to separate it, just take off this shell, which is probably easier, but it's just annoying to put the shell on and off every time. I normally just take out the little screw. You can see where the screw hole is. I didn't know the screw was missing, but I do now, so you can just see in here. I just wanted to show you this 8-pin chip that you're going to need if you have a DCC layout, which I'm assuming most people do. And then maybe we can see the interior a little bit better. So there is an interior, you can see now. So this is it for my review of the Bachmann Spectrum K4. I probably won't be doing one of these on the streamlined one, because they're nice, but I don't really want to spend the money that you need for one of those. I'd rather just find another one or something. They're kind of, I don't think they're nice, but they're very expensive for what it is. It's basically this, but streamlined, and I wouldn't really say this is worth as much as they put it, as how expensive as the streamlined ones are. That's it for this video. My next video will probably be another review, and that's it.